Here's my PHP tag. I have a login name variable, nothing in it. Password variable, nothing in it. I'm going to define a class called LNE, login name exception. It extends the built-in class exception. That's with PHP, open close curlies. I'm going to define another class called PWE, password exception. It extends the exception class of PHP. I want the system to try and do this code. If $NN ln login name equals a blank, and it does right now, do this. Oh, new LNE, I'm instantiating the class up here that I defined. Throw new LNE login name exception, pass it no name. So it's going to make an instantiation of this guy and pass it no name. Else, if that's good, if password is blank, and it is right now, then throw a new PWE, that's this guy over here, password exception. So I'm going to instantiate this class, all right, which is an extension of which extends exception class. I'm going to pass it no password, no p word. Else, if both of them have data in it, just say echo data confirmed. That's it. Now, if there's an exception that occurs, then it's going to come from new LNE, from LNE, login name exception, or PWE, password exception. System, I want you to catch any login name exception objects message and put it into ELN, this variable, exception login name. That's a good name for a variable. And open close curlies. Echo out onto the screen, yikers, in quotes. Concatenate that with, this guy here, Mr. ELN, yes. Go inside your silly self and get the message that was passed to you from up here a few moments ago. Okay, so he goes and grabs that, and he puts that right there. Yikers, no name. If the password is bad, there's no password there, he throws the new password exception class and passes it no password. And then the system will catch any password exception thrown to it and puts it into the variable $EPW, exception password, and prints out onto the screen, yikers, and concatenates that with the following. Hey, $EPW, yeah, go inside your silly self and go get that message that I just passed to you a few seconds ago. No password. Okay, yeah, I'll do that. Oh, and then put that right there. So it'll say yikers, no password. Okay? Now, both of them are in there. It's going to say data confirmed. There'll be no catching of anything because there's no exception raised, no exception thrown. Okay, that's it. So the first thing is login name is blank and this one's blank, so it's going to catch this guy first because that's what I'm testing for first. Okay, so let's do it now. Save this. Now come over to here and I'll key in Elm, my local host, a class. Whoops, not that guy. And the name of my file was getException.php, and wow, I just got nailed. I got nailed bad. Object not found. It's not found on the server if you... Wow. Holy guacamole. Let's take a look at this guy. Localhost AK last getException.php. except shown.php. This is good. Hold on. The server is running. Let's see if this is except. Oh, I've got 2 dots in there. I'm fired. Bingo. Makers, no name. Alright, there we go. That was simple. Put my glasses on, I can see. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Go back to our code. This time we can put in boole for last name. But I'm going to leave this guy blank. The password blank. Okay, now, forgot to save it. That'll be a mistake. Alright, now I'll click on refresh. And, Yakers, no password. This is great. This is working beautifully. Now I'm going to go over to password and I'll key in the secret password. Secret. Don't tell anybody. Save this. Get this over here and now I'll refresh. Data is confirmed. Why is data confirmed? Oh, because we put both of them in. Okie dokie. But if I leave out password, no password. If I put in the password, secret, I'll save this. Data confirmed. I should get now. Yes, I did. Okie dokie, that's it. That is the whole of this lesson. Thanks so much for listening. This is George Wall saying bye-bye.